We got Steve on the brand new Ducati V4S. I got the beautiful Harley Davidson Pan America 1250 ST. Got Glenn on his brand new Honda Africa Twin. Congratulations, brother. That thing is gorgeous, man. And Sammy here on his Ninja 1000 SX. Gorgeous bike. Love that cow. Yeah, so we're actually headed to the Philadelphia area because we're meeting Sandy there. He's there already at a dealership. He's actually picking up a new bike. So we're gonna show you guys what it is. I got a 209-mile range. Pretty cool. We have about, I don't know, 82-mile ride. Should take us about an hour and 20 minutes. All right, I think we're about 20-30 miles maybe away from the dealership in Pennsylvania to meet up with Sandy. Then I'll show you guys the bike, what he got. Now I'm telling you, let me see, over 100 miles already in the saddle today. Super comfortable seat. The Saddleman step up with the tuck and roll. Oh my God, I'm so happy I got this. I've had the step up tuck and roll on my couple previous road glides, and I love it. I think it's the most comfortable seat, period. If you want a great touring seat, go road sofa, but the step up with the tuck and roll is A+ on the money, man, especially for the Pan America. All right, guys, we're here. So Sandy, what'd you get?
2025 Africa Twin Adventure Sport.
Oh, look at that. I just showed you guys Glenn's. Wow. That's
Look at that.
Sandy's right here.
Captain America over there.
Oh my goodness. Dude, it matches the XR. Brother, congratulations, my man. Nice, man.
Thank you.
Nice. That's a sweet bike. Sweet bike. So both, Glenn just got it, and when I met up with him in the morning, he had 18 miles, Glenn?
Yeah.
And then Sandy's just picking this up, brandy new from East Coast Cycles here in Pennsylvania. Yeah, we're like right next to Philly. But you got some Can-Ams over there and stuff. But wow, what a bike, huh? Congrats, brother.
Thank you.
How many miles? You didn't even ride it yet,
I did.
Yeah?
I took it like down the road.
How is it?
Yes.
Sweet, right?
Yes.
Wow, nice.
So nice.
Really nice.
Very nice, Sandy.
Gold
I like
bars.
It. I like it.
So what's the difference? This one's
This
Adventure Sport
wheel.
19?
Yeah, I have the 21.
Oh,
This
gotcha,
one
gotcha.
has all manual suspension.
Right.
This one has electronic. This one's set up more for road.
Okay, gotcha.
Tires.
Yeah, right.
Bigger fuel tank, wider front rim.
Are these cornering lights?
Yes, cornering lights.
Yes.
Oh, so you have bigger fuel tank?
Yes.
How much? Like how much bigger?
I don't know. It's bigger. I don't know.
He's got a vented fairing.
Yes, it is.
Oh, looks
Really? Huh. What's that?
That's yours adventure.
The slots?
The adventure.
Yeah. Oh, the slots, the fairing's a little bit different, right? The lights. Gotcha. Yeah. What a good dude! It's a really good-looking bike, no?
Oh.
Yes.
Huh?
Mine's 5 gallon. His is 6.
Oh,
6 and a
okay.
half, whatever.
So what do you get? Like 250 to a tank, probably?
Oh no, those will go further than that. This will go 300.
300. Wow.
24.
Wow. So both gorgeous bikes. I love the Africa Twin. I don't know which color I like better. They're both beautiful. I like this color scheme. I like that one. Which one you like, Steve? Both are nice, right?
I like both, but I like
You like the white one?
The white one, yes.
Yeah, the white one's really nice too. That's the only problem. If you want to do a lot of adventure, you definitely want the bigger wheel.
Off-road, yeah.
Off-road. But same thing, you could do it. Absolutely. Congrats, my man.
I know, thank you.
Really
This
nice.
doesn't say sport.
Really nice. We could write it. It's Sharpie. Beautiful.
I love it, man.
Yeah, Africa. Is this adjustable, Sandy? Also the windshield, Glenn? How do you do it? Oh, both sides at once.
I put it full up.
Oh, got you. Put it down? How does it look down?
I don't like tailbacks at all.
Uh-huh. Nice too. You got yours up now?
It's not up all the way.
Oh, gotcha. So you get a little more sporty,
Mine's 2
or
inches higher than that.
you have a
than the
different
stock.
windshield, right?
Mine is wider, yeah. Mine's WRS.
Oh, you have WRS.
It's wider,
Yeah.
and it's taller.
Glenn's got a lot of upgrades already on his bike. Too bad there's too many cars on the road. This looks like a nice twisty road. I wonder if I've ever been here. This looks vaguely familiar. I don't know. Really nice. Nice little stream. Alright, so we're crossing Delaware River now. Go! No way! This thing is like a bullet, man. This thing is like a bullet. I'm telling you, this thing is so fast. That was in third gear against the brand new 2025 Ducati V4S, which Steve just got. Man, good job, 1250 ST Harley Davidson Pan America. Holy cow, does this thing fast. We're gonna fuel up now. I still have a lot of range, but Glenn needed gas, so might as well just fuel up. We got 339 miles on the bike. How you liking it?
Such an easy bike.
You like it?
Easy, yeah.
Well, let me tell you, this is where it's at. The twisties, the back roads, country roads, long sweepers. Oh man, pretty cool tractor. So how about it? You like it? You like it, huh? Very comfortable, right? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice house. There you go. Nice spread. Thing pulls like a freight train, boy. Little red barn action.
You know what I'm getting? I'm getting a ribeye.
Oh, okay.
Good Friday.
I got you. All right, what do we got? We got the Outlaw 20 ounce.
It's Good Friday. You're supposed to eat.
It's good. Oh, you got steak.
Oh my God.
Wow, it's got a little bit of fat inside it.
Look at
so
this
it's
thing.
great.
Holy shit.
If I don't finish it, I have to take it. Where am I going to put it? I don't have a glove compartment.
Put in a
my
saddlebag.
Saddlebag.
$100 steak.
This is great.
No.
$100 steak. Where'd you have a $100 steak?
The steak was $119.
Oh man, like a rocket ship. Like a rocket ship. Oh man, that exhaust sounds so good. Oh, what a nice day. had to go all the way around. Route 80, massive sinkhole, shut the entire highway down. So we had to go all the way around. Big detour. 437 miles on the bike. Oh yeah, baby, this thing rips, boy. So much fun, I'm telling you.